Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up TECNO Camon 18 Premier for senior person. And to do this, we'll need to open our system settings. Right here, find the accessibility. We can also search it in the settings right there. Not this accessibility, the other one in the special functions. Okay, let's go through the special functions because this search doesn't work with us. And here there's accessibility settings, and we can change the text and display. This is most recommended settings, so we can change how big text on this device becomes, and we're gonna go for the largest version. Then we have a color correction. It's not, there's no need to change that, but if you want, it's a preference, so we can do it. Then we have color inversion. It's also a preference. I recommend to remove animations as it reduces motion sickness on this device, and also we can increase high contrast for the text, and it will become more readable. Then we should be able to find magnification, and here you can enable it. That way you'll get this loop icon. When you click on it, you can zoom in everywhere on your screen, and to zoom out, click on that icon again. Now, next thing I would change is a thing in the display, so we're gonna go for that settings, display and brightness, and here the font size is already large. I want to change the sensitivity for our screen, and let's try that in the search settings again.